Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Then again 12 minus 5 is equal to also 7. Now 7 multiplies 7 is equal to 49. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division, and then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So is equal to, in this question, first we have to solve parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. So 12 minus 5. Now solve this parenthesis. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Okay. Now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. So first priority is multiplication. So is equal to 12. Now minus 5 multiplies 7 is equal to minus 35. Okay. So 12 minus 35 is equal to minus 23. So the correct answer is minus 23. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.